What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you how you can make $1,400 or more per week online without doing the work. Now, a lot of people are skeptical on different business ideas that promise that you can make all this money without doing any work. You just sit there and you sleep in and you go hang out with your friends, you go drinking and partying, and you become a millionaire overnight. Now, that's not what I'm promising you. I'm not guaranteeing anything. I'm showing you a proven method that actually works, so you can actually follow the step-by-step process I'm going to show you in just a second. We're going to hop over the computer. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. Now, here's what I'm promising you. I'm going to show you how to do it. The guarantee, you got to put in the work. If you want to guarantee money, you want to guarantee your income, guarantee a little bit of cash in your pocket, you have to put in the work. There's just no ands, ifs, or buts about it. You have to do it. All right, so top of the computer, I'm going to show you right now how you can make $1,400 or more per week by working online without doing any work. So let's go. Okay, so I promise you that I'm going to show you exactly how you can make $1,400 or more per week. It's actually a very simple business model, very simple. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Now, here's the cool part is you don't need to do the work, okay? So I'm going to show you some things and you can be like, well, I don't know how to do that. And that's completely fine. I understand. I don't know how to do some of these things either, or I don't really want to do it. So I find other people to do the work for me. Here's how it works. We're going to be using two different sites, and I'm going to throw in a third one to kind of help you out and make you a little bit more money, all right? So the first one is Fiverr.com. The second one is SEOclerks.com, okay? So here's what I want to show you. If we go onto Fiverr, they have so many different things. Fiverr is just it's a freelancer's dream, okay? So we go onto Fiverr and let's type in, I'm going to do social link, okay? Something very simple. So what a social link is, it's pretty much just a social media site, social link that they put on, and they put on, you can put it on Pinterest, they can put it on, YouTube, Twitter, so many different places. It's just a link pointing back to a website. Let me show you something. If we scroll down here, let's find one for like $5, okay? Right here, I will promote your website and any link on social market, okay? This person has 2 reviews, okay? So not the best. Let's go by relevance. Let's go by best selling, okay? I will do high DA, interlinkable social profiles, link building, okay? There's another one. I will promote your website on website and any link on social marketing. So let's click on that one, okay? Cost $5. Here's how it works. Promote your link, high traffic social site to social platforms. Okay, so maybe it's Facebook, Instagram, wherever. Okay, that's one. It costs $5. Probably thinking, well, I still don't get it. I'm a little confused. Okay, here's how it works. So let's say this one right here. They're going to promote my website or brand on social marketing through Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google, and so on. Okay, great. That cost me $5. Well, how am I making money? Here's how you make money. You create something exactly like these people are doing, okay? And you go find another site or another person to fulfill that job, to fulfill that order, okay? So if we come here and type in social links, okay, and let that search, what we're trying to do, trying to sell this gig at $5, okay? And let's try to hire somebody that can complete that, fulfill that task for less than $5. So let's look here. Manual Penguin Safe 20 high authority social bookmarks for $1. Okay? We can even go and be more specific and type in social bookmark. Okay? Just like that. Okay? So I will create, let's see, let's try to get a different one. I'll make 60 high PR up to 10 social media posts for SEO profile backlinks, $10 or $5. Okay? And this person, so if this person right here costs $5 to do 60 high PR social links, this one does 20 for $1. We just need 3. So every single one, I'll pull up the calculator so you can see it. It costs $5, okay, is what we're making, but we got to pay $3. I don't need a calculator to do this, but I'll do it just for the sake of being on video, is $2. $2 profit for every single one of these that we sell, okay? Simple, right? Let me show you another one, okay? Let's do Instagram posts, just like that, okay? So all this is, you're just hiring somebody to design an Instagram post for you. I'll create 5 unique and modern Instagram posts. 5 for $60. That's $12 a post. Let's come over here and just see what we can find on SEO Clerks. Okay? So we'll let that search. So this one right here, let's say you're only getting $5 per post, which is typical, $5. Okay? Let's see what they have on SEO Clerks. Okay? Design professional Facebook, Instagram. Design your post for Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. So design your post. This one doesn't have, I don't think, many actually reviews on it. But anyway, okay. Create an attractive design. Looks like they're just going to make one. Okay. They'll make one post for $5. Okay. One post for $5. Okay. So right there, that doesn't work for us here if it's costing us $5 or we're making $5 and we're paying $5, then we don't make any money. It's pointless to do it. But if we're charging $12 and it costs us $5, that means we make $7 profit, right? What if we do 4 of these in a day? That's $28 to do Instagram posts. But again, we don't do any of it. All we're doing is finding the person that needs the post, and then we're going and finding somebody to do it. We're outsourcing the entire job. We're just the middleman, and we're making the difference. We're making the money, all right? Let's go look at another one. YouTube. Actually, let's just type in link. SEO link. Let's just type in that. Okay, and we'll do the exact same thing over here on SEO Clerks. Then in just a second, I'm going to show you another website. SEO links. Okay. So right here, I will do SEO link building through Blogger Outreach. Great. Okay, cool. I will do Google SEO with manual high authority backlinks and trust links. I will do 300 PBN backlinks, high DAPA, TF, CF, do follow, homepage links SEO. This one right here. Okay, great. That's a private blog network is PBN. If you don't know what that is, let's go see right here. I will manually do 40 PR9, so PageRank 9 plus 20 edu/gov safe SEO high manual links. Okay, great. Okay, having any edu or .gov sites is great because they're harder to get. So if we look here, okay, we're gonna do, it's $5 right there. Let's come back and search and see if we can do a gov link. Okay, let's type that in. 50 starting at $5. What does this guy charge? $5 to do 40. Okay, we could sell it here and buy it over here and try to get more, try to make some more money, or we just charge more. It's pretty simple. We just charge more money. Okay, charge $10. Okay, charge $10 to do 100 and find somebody else that can do it for a little bit cheaper. Okay, it's that simple. It's a very simple process. Now, let me show you another site that you can use, because all we're doing is finding somebody to sell a service to, and then once that person buys, we go and hire somebody to actually fulfill that order. That's it. So in the beginning, all you have to do, all the work that you need to do is just come over to Fiverr and start creating a bunch of different gigs. It's going to be hard. You're going to be like this person where they have, they have no reviews, or this person, no reviews, no stars, no nothing. But once you start to, create more kind of buzz around your services, that's when you really start to grow. So are you going to be able to make, $1,400 this week? It's going to be a little bit difficult. Do I think you can make anywhere from $100 to $500? Yes, you could. Okay. So $500 over the next 7 days, that means you're making over $70 per day, doing something where all you're doing is finding somebody else to complete the work for you. Here's the one that I absolutely love. All right. So here on Fiverr is where you're going to create the gigs and you're going to sell them. Okay. Simple enough. Here on Craigslist, this is why I absolutely love Craigslist. Number one, you can reach out to people, okay, So if I type in, let's say I type in, or I just go to gigs, okay? And so right here, let's see. Actually, let me go back. Let's see. So yeah, so if I, right here on gigs, or you can go down to resumes and find people that are looking for, to do the work for you, okay? So this is a great thing to do. So right here, you find all the work that somebody needs, okay? You find it here, and then you go and you find somebody on Craigslist, and I like Manila, okay? That's in the Philippines, and I like Mumbai, India. Those are the best places, in my opinion, to find a virtual assistant to do all the work for you, okay? So you sell the work here on Fiverr, okay, right here on Fiverr. You sell all the work, okay? You get people to pay you to do the 100 USA backlinks. Then you come over here to Manila or over to Mumbai, and you find somebody to actually do the job. It's that simple. You ask them questions, you say, hey, this is what I need. Can you do it? Got 24 hours? All right, get it done. Simple enough, okay? But here's the cool part. That's in resumes. In gigs, right here, okay? This is where you can do everything right here. Okay, let's say I just type in VA, okay? Seeking a professional virtual assistant, okay? I can actually type it in right there, virtual assistant, okay? Marketing virtual assistant. All we're doing right here, okay, we're under gigs, okay? These are people that are looking to hire somebody, okay? So these are people are looking to hire somebody right here. Looking for somebody, male, female, from Philippines to work as a marketing intern for our company, okay? So this person, they probably want you in the Philippines, but no biggie. You just gotta find somebody that's looking to hire you, and then, or hire somebody, and then you go out and you outsource it to somebody over on Fiverr or somebody over on SEO Clerks. That is how simple this process is, because I guarantee you, a little bit of work will go a long way. You put your jobs on SEO Clerks or on Fiverr, they're gonna sit there. They're gonna sit there for a while. They're not going anywhere, okay? People will continue to see them. Here's the cool part. Let's say you only make, let's say you have 5 different gigs. So you have SEO link building, you have Instagram posts, maybe you do YouTube thumbnails, maybe you do YouTube banners and Facebook banners, and let's say you do something on Pinterest, okay? So you create Pinterest accounts or whatever, okay? You got 5 different gigs. Let's say each one you make, let's say $5 from each one of those, okay? So it costs $5 to outsource it, and then you're charging $10, so you make $5 difference. Okay, great. So you make $5 as every single one of those. Okay, 5 times 5, 25. But what if that was just one gig per day? That one task per day is all you're doing on those 5 different ones. Well, what if they were selling decently well? They're selling like 5 or 6. Okay, $150 a day, 30 days a month. You're making $4,500. Okay. That actually comes out to $1,125 per week that you're making. That's what I'm talking about. It's a very simple process. It's proven to work, okay? And I guarantee you, a lot of these people, that's all they do, okay? You can come to some of these. Let's click on this one, SEO Services 099. Click on them, okay? I clicked on their actual page. So look here. Okay, I'll do 40 PR9 Skyrocket SEO backlinks, do 30 do follow backlinks, 25 EDU top class backlinks, 50 keyword backlinks, 55 PBNs, blog posts from blogger.com. Okay, they have 5 different gigs right here. That's it, 5 different gigs. I just told you, I just showed you what are the numbers between 5 gigs. If each one is doing 5, or each gig is doing 6 per day, you got 5 different gigs, that's 30 per day. You're making $5 a piece. You're making money, all right? So that is all you have to do. Do you remember what I said in the very beginning of this video? Was that I'm gonna promise you, I'm gonna show you how to do it step by step. The guarantee, that comes from you doing the work. I guarantee if you put in the work, you follow it step by step, you'll start to make money, okay? That's the only guarantee I'm gonna give you. Do I guarantee you're gonna make $1,400 per week? No, because I don't know how much you're willing to actually put in. I don't know if you're willing to, make a gig, go on offer services, go and try to find somebody to do the work for the cheapest price so you make the most money. I don't know what you're willing to do. So, if you're willing to put in a little bit of work, you can make a little bit of money. You're willing to put in a lot of work, you can make a lot more money. So hopefully this video kind of gives you the idea of how exactly you can make almost $1,500 every single week. So, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.